There's nothing more beautiful than a curated home with pieces you truly love, and it's even more special when it's filled with pieces handcrafted by you. With no sewing experience needed, discover and master the key skills to make a Roman blind.
I'm going to teach you how to make a lined Roman blind with a standard stack back.
Louise shares practical tips and tricks to ensure professional quality from start to finish that you'll be able to make again and again.
It's incredibly neat. Your eye isn't drawn to the stitching because you've colour matched your thread to your rod pocket, and it's very strong.
Come and find the joy in freedom of creating homewares designed purposely for your home. Louise is passionate about helping students to develop their love for sewing, giving confidence to thrive.
Your dream interiors are just around the corner. I'm Louise, and I look forward to teaching you the art of making Roman blinds.